You want to learn how to make Jamaican style pepper steak? This is a step-by-step recipe for you. Watch to the end. Nice and tasty. So this is the steak I am going to use. It already trimmed up and clean. Going to season the steak with 2 tablespoons Briscoe's all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon spur tree browning, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, now I'm going to put it to marinate for 2 hours before I cook it. So it is already 2 hours since I put the steak to marinate. This is the pan I'm going to cook it in. Going to turn on the stove. 2 tablespoons vegetable. Now the oil hot, I'm going to brown the steak. So I'm just going to make them brown for 4 minutes. It is already 2 minutes since I put them in the pot. Just going to flip them over now. It is already 4 minutes. Just going to remove all the steak from the pan. To the pan, I'm going to saute onion, 5 cloves garlic, 1 teaspoon pimento. Going to add fresh thyme. Going to add sweet peppers, 2 stalk scallions, 1 tablespoon Briscoe's all-purpose seasoning. To make the sauce, I'm going to use 2 cups of beef stock, 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Going to mix everything together. Going to add the sauce. Going to cover it up and allow it to come to a boil. Now it come to a boil. I'm going to add 1 whole Scotch bonnet pepper. Now I'm going to add back the steak. So here I have it. Authentic Jamaican pepper steak. I'm going to turn off the stove. Jamaican style pepper steak served with white rice and steamed vegetables. Nice and tasty.